Welcome to channel American Speakeasy.
8 common phrasal verbs with catch. Like, subscribe, catch up. Meaning, to reach the same level or position as someone else. Example, she stayed late to catch up on work. Catch on. Meaning, to understand or grasp something. Example, he quickly caught on to the new concept. Catch out. Meaning, to discover or expose someone's mistake or wrongdoing. Example, the teacher caught him out in a lie. Catch at. Meaning, to attempt to grab or seize something. Example, he caught at the railing to keep from falling. Catch up with. Meaning, to meet or reconnect with someone. After a period of time. Example, let's catch up with them later. Catch up in. Meaning, to become involved in something, often unintentionally. Example, she got caught up in the excitement of the event. Catch out on. Meaning, to challenge or question someone on a specific detail. Example, he was caught out on his lack of knowledge. Catch on to. Meaning, to begin to understand something. Example, it took me a while to catch on to what she was saying. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications.